Welcome to Build Mystery, the place where power meets purpose. Today, we're rolling out 10 unstoppable bulldozer beasts, from rare legends to modern monsters that turn rock and soil into dust. These are the dozers that move mountains, conquer mines, and prove that when you need pure power, bigger is always better. Strap in and witness heavy iron at its finest. Before we fire up these giants, hit subscribe and ring the bell to never miss a machine that reshapes the world. This is the Caterpillar D11T CD, a heavy-duty dozer crafted by Caterpillar for extreme earth-moving. With a massive 850 horsepower engine, it tears through rock and soil on the toughest mining sites. Its giant blade and rear ripper break, push, and level ground with surgical precision. Advanced controls and rugged design keep it working non-stop in the harshest conditions. Powerful, precise, unstoppable, the Caterpillar D11T CD shapes the earth like no other. This is the Liebherr PR776 Latronic, a next-generation crawler tractor built by Liebherr for heavy-duty mining and large-scale earth-moving. With up to 768 horsepower under the hood, it pushes massive loads while using advanced electronic control for peak efficiency. Its hydrostatic drive system delivers smooth, precise movement, even on steep or shifting terrain. The spacious cab and smart assist systems keep operators safe, comfortable, and in full command. Efficient, intelligent, unstoppable, the Liebherr PR776 turns brute force into precision power. This is the Komatsu D475A-8. A heavy-duty mining bulldozer built by Komatsu to conquer the toughest jobs on Earth. Its massive 890 horsepower engine drives a blade designed to cut deep and move huge loads fast. A redesigned undercarriage boosts traction and stability, even on rough, shifting ground. Smart controls and reinforced structures deliver maximum power with precise handling. Powerful, efficient, unstoppable, the Komatsu D475A-8 moves mountains so industries can move forward. This is the Shantou SD60C5, a tough, reliable bulldozer built by Shantou for demanding construction and mining sites. Powered by a 600 horsepower engine, it delivers powerful pushing force to handle heavy soil, rock, and debris. Its reinforced blade and robust undercarriage grip the ground, driving through harsh conditions with ease. Smart hydraulics and precise controls give operators full command over every push and cut. Strong, durable, unstoppable, the Shantou SD60C5 keeps big projects moving, no matter the terrain. This is the Shantou SD90C5, a powerhouse crawler dozer engineered by Shantou for massive earth-moving projects. Equipped with a formidable 900 horsepower engine, it pushes heavy loads across mines and large construction sites with ease. Its reinforced blade and tough undercarriage handle rock, soil, and debris without hesitation. Advanced hydraulics and precise controls give operators the muscle and finesse to reshape any terrain. Strong, reliable, unstoppable, the Shantou SD90C5 brings raw pushing power wherever it's needed most. This is the Chetra T40, a powerful crawler dozer built by Chetra to tackle the world's toughest terrains. Equipped with a massive 520 horsepower engine, it pushes heavy loads through mining sites, oil fields, and frozen ground. Its reinforced blade and durable tracks handle rock, soil, and permafrost with unstoppable force. Advanced hydraulics and rugged design keep it working strong in extreme temperatures and harsh conditions. Reliable, relentless, unstoppable, the Chetra T40 shows no job is too big for Russian heavy machinery. This is the Caterpillar D10T2, a legendary bulldozer engineered by Cat for serious mining and heavy construction. Its massive 766 horsepower engine delivers raw pushing power to tackle rock, soil, and overburden with ease. A high, strong blade and rear ripper cut deep, breaking tough ground with unmatched precision. Advanced controls and Caterpillar's proven design keep it productive and reliable, shift after shift. Powerful, efficient, unstoppable, the Cat D10T2 proves why the name Caterpillar still rules the dirt. This is the monumental Acco Super Bulldozer, a legend of earth-moving power, built by Acco in Italy. Designed to tackle the toughest terrain, it stands among the largest bulldozers ever made. Twin engines unleash massive force, pushing mountains of earth with unmatched strength. Heavy-duty tracks grip the ground, while its giant blade cuts through rock, soil, and debris with ease. Rare, relentless, unforgettable, the Acco Super Bulldozer proves that when power is needed, size matters. This is the Fiat Alice HD41FD50, a legendary crawler dozer engineered for massive earth-moving back when size ruled the site. Once the largest bulldozer in the world, it packed over 500 horsepower to push mountains of soil and rock with brute force. Its massive blade and heavy tracks powered through mines and quarries, reshaping landscapes with every pass. Strong, simple, and built to last, the HD41FD50 proved that when raw muscle was needed, Fiat Alice delivered. Iconic, rugged, unstoppable, the HD41FD50 still inspires today's heavy-duty giants. This is the Komatsu D575A, the world's largest production bulldozer, engineered by Komatsu. Built to dominate massive mining and earth-moving projects, it's a true giant on tracks. A colossal 1,150 horsepower engine drives its massive blade, carving through mountains of soil with ease. Its rugged design and sheer weight deliver unstoppable traction and brute pushing force. Titanic, trusted, unstoppable, the Komatsu D575A turns the toughest jobs into pure power moves. These bulldozer beasts show what happens when human engineering meets raw earth and impossible jobs. If you enjoyed seeing these monsters in action, hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share your favorite machine in the comments. Stay tuned for more massive machines, hidden tech, and engineering wonders only here on Build Mystery.